Hi, I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to add alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you're looking for more candlestick patterns, then this is not for you. But if you're looking to start trading like a pro, then stick around. So today we ran 7 baskets, all industrial things, and I ran it with only 2 filters, a correlation of 0.8 and an RW coefficient of 0.8, and we got quite a lot of things to look at. So let's narrow that down a bit. I'm going to go ahead and kick this up to, let's go with 5, and the 5% up and down expectation value, and run a filter there. Well, that makes it a lot smaller of a number, doesn't it? I went through these things earlier today, and the one that I liked was this one here. It's in the chemicals group, and the correlation is not terribly strong. I mean, it's above our threshold that we set, and the RW coefficient is also just barely above the threshold, but it's got a very strong track record, and I want you to take a look at this picture. That's a nice picture. That's up and down very good, and it has had some big motions up and down here more recently, which is, you know, obviously good for us if we can continue that, because it's a lot more profit on these things. It has a perfect track record. It's been outside the second standard deviation 7 times, returned profitably to the mean 6, and the 7th one is the one that is currently open, and that opened, it looks like, on the 21st, so a couple of weeks ago, and it's been waffling around, but you know, the good news is it looks like the trend is already back down. So let's go ahead and put this in the observe page for starters. So this only shows the end of all that, but let's take a look over here. So it hit this number up here on the 22nd of March, and it has been moving down. We have a strong downtrend, which is a good time to get in normally. Everything looks good over here. I like this. Let's take a look at the hitting probabilities. You know, a nice determined return to the mean look here. Let's run the Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, so it's showing here, okay, the latest value is 5.04 and a target price of minus 1.88. That, you know, I think all those things look reasonable. The thing is here, it's only showing 78% being profitable in 30 days. I think that is because we're looking at it at a time where it's already begun a return to the mean. Had we picked it up, you know, a week ago, I think we would see that number being a little higher. But nevertheless, it's still showing a good solid expectation value, over 5% in 30 days. And the fact that it's already moving the right direction is, you know, makes it generally a safer thing for the short term anyway. It's showing that we'll hit the target price half the time in 47 bars, and the mode being only 15. And again, I think all these things are saying, hey, it's already started moving. Let's see what it does. So let's keep an eye on it. And if in 2 or 3 weeks it isn't where we want it, we'll consider whether we would like to keep this trade or put that money somewhere to work elsewhere. But for right now, let's make this the recommendation. So let's go back to the detail page. It's SHI and CBT, correlation 0.8, RW coefficient 0.687. The ratio is 1.01. It has had a perfect track record outside the mean 7 times, profitable return 6, and the 7th one is the one that's currently open that we're going to try to profit from. The picture looks really, really good. This is the recommendation of the day. SHI minus 1 of CBT. It is a short, so for every share of SHI that you sell, you're going to buy 1 share of CBT. Good luck with your trading.